Yeah. Good evening, Kennedy. Can you hear me? Please confirm the class. Anyone? Can you hear me? Teja, Virat, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Here.
And you can hear me on YouTube also, Teja?
Checking, sir. One second.
The screen is shared in YouTube. All of you, please join YouTube also. And just click on like button here. Only 5 are there. Only one like. All of you, please do that. Yeah. I hope you can hear me on YouTube also. Just confirm, Teja.
Yes, sir. We can hear in YouTube also.
Right. Yes. The voice you can put it here after the class. I want everyone to be on Google Meet. Right? Thank you. So now we have completed up to week 11. Now please take down. Now we have to go to VA01 consultant work. Sales order is pure baby of SD consultant. So there are going to be three major steps. What are the three major steps which you have? You have step 1, assign sales area to sales document type. Step 1, you have got area assigned to sales document type, and it is going to be done by your SAP SD consultant. SAP SD consultant. Now, how do you go there? Now, please write down step 1. The path is going to be, write down, path is SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Then you are going to go to sales and distribution. Then sales document. In sales document header. In this, what is the thing which you have to assign sales area to sales document type? This is the step. Assign sales area to sales document type. Step 1, assign sales area to sales document type. What is the path? SPRO, sales and distribution, sales, sales document, come to sales document header, and then assign sales area to sales document type. How do I activate the T code? Additional information, IMG activity. Last four digit is the T code, OVAZ. For the step 1, I hope you have understood, you got the path. OVAZ is the T code, path also you know. Now click on the clock. In step 1, again I have got 4 sub-step A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Correct? So what is that? Combined sales org, write down 1A, combined sales org, 2, combined distribution channel, 1C, combined division, 4, assign sales document type permitted to sales area. Practically what you do, now combine sales org. Double click on this, and because there is no new entry, come to position. What is my sales org? BANG, and assign my BANG again. And then press enter key. It is saying just explanatory, don't think it is an error. Ignore it by pressing enter key and save. Clear? 1A is done. Then come to combined distribution channel. Position BANG, press enter. Now what is my reference distribution channel? It is going to be NG, press enter, then save it. Save it, either control S on keyboard or on mouse, you can save like this. And combined division, double click this, BANG, press enter, reference division is going to be NG. Press enter, save. I get my NG. Clear? Now the 1D, assign sales document type to permitted sales area. Now click new entry. Ignore this thing which is going to come by pressing enter key. Now what is my sales area? BANG. Don't press save button or enter key. Just use the tab key. Then what is my distribution channel? I think NG. Then division is NG. Until unless what is my sales document type? Standard order is OR. Correct? I should get the whole thing here. Until unless it's not there. Sometime what you'll do, you press enter key here. This will be blanked out. That's not correct. So you are write the complete sales area and assign it to OR. Clear? We have done through. What is step 1? Assign sales area to sales document type. Who is going to do this? It is going to be done by the SAP SD consultant in the project. So what is the path we have to go through? I repeat, SPRO. SPRO, once you come, sales and distribution, sales, sales document header, assign sales area to sales document. The T code is OVAZ. You click here, again you have got 1A, 1B, 1C, and 1D. You have done this. Close this and then proceed towards the second step. Define and assign pricing procedure. Define and assign pricing procedure. Write down the heading, define and assign the pricing procedure. Now again, the path is going to be, you have to come, if you are in easy access, what is the path? You have to go to SPRO again, SAP reference IMG, to sales and distribution again, basic function, pricing, pricing control, define and assign pricing procedure. I repeat the path, SPRO, sales and distribution. Next one is sales and distribution, basic function, pricing, pricing control. Then you have got define and assign pricing procedure. How do I activate the T code? Same way. This is my T code. Click on the clock. In this, we have to do this step. Now write down. In that, we have to do, what is the thing which you have to do? Now you write down. Click on the clock. You will get a pop-up screen. In that, you write, double click on define pricing procedure determination. Please write down define pricing procedure determination. Click on this. and click on new entry and write down your sales area BANG, tab key NG, NG, document pricing procedure indicator, you say A1, then you write down the standard pricing procedure RVAA01, and then condition type is PR00. Please write down under sales org, you have to write down your sales org, distribution channel, division. These three put together is called as sales area. This is DOPR is nothing but document pricing procedure indicator. What is DOPR? It is nothing but document pricing procedure. Document pricing indicator is A, and customer pricing procedure indicator. Assigning customer master data, sales tab. Yes or no? And this is your standard SAP pricing procedure. And then you save it. Now, all of you, please write down the formula. Write down the formula. Pricing procedure is equal to interview question. Pricing procedure is equal to sales area sales area plus document pricing procedure indicator plus customer pricing procedure indicator. What is pricing procedure? So pricing procedure is equal to sales area plus document pricing procedure indicator plus customer pricing procedure indicator. That's the formula. Interview question. If I have to tell in terms of ID, RVAA01, RVAA01 is nothing but your pricing procedure. RVAA01 is equal to my sales area BANG, NG, NG. This is my sales area plus A plus 1. So what is that? RVAA01 is nothing but your pricing procedure. BANG, NG is nothing but my sales area plus A is nothing but my document pricing procedure indicator plus customer pricing procedure indicator. Your PR00 is nothing but the condition type of price. Clear? So what is pricing? Interview question. Pricing procedure determination. Pricing procedure is equal to sales area plus document pricing procedure indicator plus customer pricing procedure indicator. Clear? So RVAA01 is equal to BANG NG plus A plus 1. Then we have done our second step also. Close this and go to your final step. Shipping point determination. Please write down the third step is shipping point determination. The part is again going to be how you are going to come. Third step in the sales order consultant work, shipping point determination. Go to SPRO. Now go to logistic execution. Shipping, basic shipping function, shipping determination, and click on assign shipping point. Please write down the part shipping point determination. The part is going to be SPRO, logistic execution, shipping, basic shipping function, goods receiving point determination, assign T code again, additional information, OVL2, last 4 digit. OVL2 is the T code. Click on the clock. Now you write down what is shipping point formula. Again, interview question. Shipping point is equal to condition, shipping condition plus loading group plus plant. So what is my shipping point? Shipping point is equal to shipping condition plus loading group plus point. Now where do you maintain your shipping condition? Shipping condition you maintain in your customer master data. You go to your customer master data where you have maintained your shipping condition. Here. Yes or no? What are the possible entry? I enter 02. Correct? So shipping point is equal to shipping condition. Correct? Shipping condition. Now where do I maintain the loading group? Loading group I maintain in material master data. What are the possible entry in loading group? What is the material I have created? 500, 660, 92. Yes or no? The loading group I have created. The three loading group are 0001 crane, 0002 forklift, 0003 manual. Correct? Now down. Shipping condition maintained in customer master data, sales area data, sales tab. Shipping tab, sorry. Where is shipping condition maintained? In your VD01 sales area data shipping tab. And what is the possible entry? 02 standard. So what is shipping condition? Where it is maintained? Shipping condition is maintained in customer master data, sales area data, shipping tab. Possible entry 02 maintained in sales area data, shipping tab. Second entity, what is required? Loading group. Loading group, where it is maintained? Loading group is maintained in material master data where sales general plant view. Sales general plant view. Possible entry 0001 crane, 2 forklift, 0003 manual. Correct? So I can enter anything of this, but my shipping point should be determined. So now what is the combination I have to write here? Now I have to click new entry. What is the shipping condition I write? 02. What is the first combination? Crane 0001. What is my plant? BANG. What is the shipping point it should pick up? Because I have only one shipping point, BANG. Again, I can have shipping condition 02. Now it is crane. Forklift now. 0002 BANG PANG. Third 02. Now I go manual 0003 because three combinations are there, BANG and BANG. Press enter, save. Now when the system is determining shipping point, what is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? In the sales order, your pick pack time and loading time is going to come into the sales order. That I am going to explain you. Right? So what is the thing our member has written the shipping point for BANG? So in BANG, you have given You see, here, they have forgot to give. You see, default shipping point. Now, this is the mistake all of you should not make. You have to write your pick pack time and loading time. You have to enter CC. What is the loading time? 2 days. Picking time 1 day. Right? In enterprise sector, you have done a mistake. Whoever say enterprise sector is there. Maybe I look it for another one. KENN. All of you please see. You see, 2 days for this. Kennedy has given this. Clear? So now I have concluded my consultant work. Now I'm going to create the sales order. Now let's go and do the sales order. Where I'm doing VA01 enter key. What is the OR? Now what is the sales area to enter? BANG. Now why it is going to pick up? Because to OR we have linked our sales area in the same line. Because we have assigned the sales area to OR in the same one. Yes or no? Now that is the reason we will be able to do the user work for this sales area. Now I press enter key. Now who is the customer? 100, 560. What is the PO he has given? He has given the purchase order today, 11/09/2025. Right? And purchase order date he has given here. Now when he is requesting the delivery material, 500, 660, 92. Say he is asking for 2 pieces. Press enter key. Now you see, this is what I hate people committing the mistake. In Kenya, why the currency EUR is made? The whole enterprise sector has gone for a toss, Tabitha. Now this is where you are making such a silly elementary kindergarten mistakes. When you have created your enterprise sector in Kenya, who asked you to give euro? This has to be KES. Yes or no? Now, this is where I fail to understand why you people are not able to understand the elementary things. And that's the unhappy I have with this 1030 batch. There's nothing rocket science there. I don't know how why you people do such a fundamental mistakes. So I now get for 2 pieces this. Now, when the customer is requesting the delivery, it is requesting on 11th. Will he get it on 11th? The answer is no, because we have entered 2 days for picking, packing, and 1 day for loading. Yes or no? So you double click. How do you see that schedule line? He is asking on 11. Why I am getting 16? Because I have to add my pick, pack time and loading time. Clear? So first thing first, I got my schedule line. That is 16th. You can make a note. It is 16th. Now I come to the next one, pricing. What is the PR00? PR00 is 2000, 2 pieces, so 4000. Discount, I gave 10%. 10% of 4000 is 400. The 3600 KF00 2 euros per kg. It is 100 kg, so 200 kg per piece, 2 pieces, 400 kg. Clear? And then we are looking at the total 4000 picked up. That we have to check now. So tax has not picked up. Why? We have to check it. You see, material tax classification and customer tax classification she has not entered. Now, this is what I keep telling people when they have done so many enterprise structure not to do the mistake. What they have done? You see, in sales area data, without entering the tax classification, they have saved it. For Kenya, they have entered one. Okay. MM02, she forgot to enter here. Correct? Why you are making such a silly mistake? You have to see. Right. So that's the reason the tax was not picking up. This is not correct. Again, I have to go repeat. Now you know all the fields of master data, why they are important for you to see whether you have entered it correctly or not. Now double click on this condition. You see price 4,000. 2,000 into two pieces 4,000. Discount 10% of 4,400. 3,600. KF00 freight charges is also picked up. And you see the tax now it has picked up 720. 18% tax. Yesterday you remember? And the total what he has to pay the customer is 2360. So 2360 per piece, and the thing is going to be right 4,720 for two pieces. Now anyone in the class, where is this price is going to go, and this 4,000 is going to go and sit in which GL account? Yesterday you have done your VK11 consultant work. So no, this where it is going to go and sit in which GL account? It's going to go and sit in the GL account ERL 4,000. This is alpha. Okay, this is going for VANG also, right? You say V I coffee. What is the chart account I have? BANG, right? Yeah, this one, and this one. So this 400,000, this GL account is ERL. ERL is matter sales revenue. In the sales order, what is my sales revenue? 4,000 Kenyan shilling. This 4 lakhs, 4,000 will go and sit in which GL account? They go and sit it in this GL account. Discount, how much you are given? You are given 400 Kenyan shilling as discount. Customer K007. Where it will go and fall in which GL account? It will go and fall in 5 lakh 1 GL account. And the freight what you are given will go and sit in 4 lakh 1. That is nothing but your 400. And this 720 tax will go and fall in which GL account? 200,000 GL account. Where you have created that you have assigned yesterday in tax on sales and purchase. What you have done yesterday? MWS. So in this GL account, your 720 Kenyan shilling will come. And the total, what is the total amount paid by the customer? Is 4,720. What is that? 4720 is going to customer account. What is the customer account you have created? Reconciliation account 1 lakh 2. 1 lakh 2. Yes or no? So the total amount will go and sit in 1 lakh 2 GL account. Am I clear? There are 5 elements there. Price will go and sit in price GL account, discount in discount GL account, freight in freight GL account, tax in tax GL account, total in customer account. So we have done with this. Then I can save my sales order. Everything looks good for me. I got my sales order number. Sales order number I got, that is going to be 20373. 20373. Clear? So that concludes my sales order consultant work. Now I have to go and check outbound delivery, no consultant work. You see, VL01, no consultant work. Meaning now already I have done everything in MB1C itself, so I can just directly go and do my VL01. So what was the date? I forgot. What is the date? What is the schedule line date? How I see it? Double click. Schedule line was 16th. Correct. Confirm daily date. So this is 16th. Oh, BANG. Enter. All looks good. And then I save it. I got my outbound delivery. So my VA01 is over. VL01N. What is the answer? 800 181 18169. Good. 800 18169. Now I have done with this. Now I'll go transfer order LT03 at MB1C level only we have completed. No consultant work. So I can go and do my LT03 also. LT03, press enter. What is my warehouse number? BAN. Yes or no? BANG. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Hmm. You see, the screen is inactive. Click on generate to TU item. I got my transfer order number LT031. Now I have to go to VL02N. Now you can go and see post good issue also doesn't have consultant work. At MB1C consultant work we have done. So because already we have done this GL account and we have assigned it, right? All the things we have done. So there is no consultant work. You can directly go and do your VL02N. Clear? Press enter. Click on post good issue. VL02N is also done. MMBE, there is no consultant work because it's a report. Correct? Stock checking, no consultant work because it's a report. Now I have to see that stock. Stock has increased by how much? Whatever I have done by MB1C. Correct? I have posted 98 pieces. Why? 100 was there, 2 has gone in PGI. So 98 are left out. Clear? Now if I go, now next thing is VF01. Invoice case, we have got the consultant work. Now please write down. Now we have to create, please write down, we have to create the number range for FI document. Step 1, write down, define the number range for FI document RV. Please write down step 1 in VF01. Please write down, define the number range for document type RV in FI. How do you do this? Go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting and global setting, document, document header, define document type. OBA7. So what is the part? What is the step 1 in VF01? Define the number range for FI document type RV, billing document transfer. So what part is go to SPRO, financial accounting global setting, document header, define document type. Come to position, go to RV. What is RV? It is nothing, billing document transfer. Please write down, double click. What is the number range I have to create for my company code? BANG, I have to create the number range 14. Click on number range, BANG. I created 49 for RV, WA and WL. So now I have to create for 14, 20, 25. So I write 14. So I write 14. I wanted to create 14 to 14999. 3 times only. Clear? I am done with this. So I am done with the number ranges and I have saved 14. So the consultant work is done through. Now I have to go and do my VF01. Click on the clock. Save. Correct? 900, no accounting document was generated. Please write down VF01 number. What is that VF01 number? 900 900 39905. You see no tax on sales, and when I created this year account, OT is not allowed. So the error what is there when I created the GL account, I made a small mistake. FS00. What is the GL account he is saying? 400,000. Right? When you are creating the GL account only, you have to see tax code allowed and put it tax out posting is all allowed to every GL account which you have created. Right? You see, I forgot to enter. I wanted to show the error, so I didn't do that time. When you are creating the GL account only, you enter this, all of you, for all the GL account. How many GL account did I create? If you want to know, you can hit like this. You have created 8 GL account till now. Yes or no? Go to each GL account one by one. Right? Right? All tax types allowed. Am I clear? All the 8 GL accounts, go and do this, which you have created. Ninth GL account I am going to do in F-28 because I have to create the house bank in F-28. Correct? That will be the ninth GL account. So I have done this. So after that only you do it. Huh? Don't do this because you have done this before you create the invoice only. Before you do the sales order itself, you do it. But when you create the invoice, you should not come back and do it now. That should have been done. I should have show you the error. If you are not done, what should have happened? You see, for whichever GL account I have not done, it is throwing me error for that. Clear? So not allowing me. Uh, So if I had have done it, then itself I would have created my background RV document. You see now, document flow, I got my RV document. Now it is not clear. Now I have to do my F-28. So to do my F-28, now I have to do my last thing in my order to cash cycle and customer incoming payment clearing. Please write down in customer incoming payment clearing F-28 consultant work. First, I have to define the number range for digit document type. So how I'll do it? So same where I have created my WAWL digit, every document, document header, this document type. Now what is the document type I want? Digit. Who is going to do this? It is a customer payment. So FI consultant is going to create the number range 14, BANG. So 14 number range I have already created for RV. The same I can use for DZ also. No issue. Step 1 is done through. Now step 2, this number range I have done. Now I have to create the house bank. Like you would have seen when I was doing my F-28. What are the things we required? We require bank GL account. Yes or no? Then we entered our house bank. The bank we have to have our bank GL account. What was the bank GL account we are entering? 113109 on 1000 company code. In the same way, we have to create our bank GL account, which is going to be 1 lakh 3. That GL account we have to create. So, first of all, first we have to create. Now, write down step 2, create a bank BANG. So what is my BANG? BANG is my company code. So I have to create the bank where my money is going to come. Yes or no? So the consultant work second step of FI in F-28 is create house bank. The part is going to be SPRO, financial accounting, accounting, bank account, define house bank. Enter your company code BANG. Press enter, click create a bank. I want to create a bank called BANG itself. In which country I want to create? I want to create in Kenya. What is the bank key? It is a nothing but your shift code of the bank or some kind of a unique code every bank will have. How you will know this? You can just go through Google and see what is the international shift code for any bank. Shift code for Access Bank. Correct? So this is going to be this one, something like this. Yes or no? So you can see for whatever the bank you are talking, it will be there. I'm just entering a numeric. Then click on create. What is the bank name? BANG Bank of Kenya. I don't want everyone to create their own company code, their own this thing. Now this bank is in Central Street number uh, First Street. Okay, city Nairobi. This is main branch. If you know the shift code, you can add there. If you don't know, just leave it. Then save it. So in creating a house bank, I created the house bank. Clear? I created the house bank. Next is I have to create the GL account. Write down. After I created the house bank, now it is my duty to create the GL account, which I have to enter in F-28. Where I'll go? I'll go to FS00. Bank is a asset, so I'm going to create 1 lakh 3. Is occupied by customer, so 1 lakh 3. It is going to be asset, so balance sheet, bank BANG, bank GL, right? Like it was 113109 for 1000 company code, BANG company code. Clear? Balances only, taxes posted, and all taxes allowed. Let's not make that mistake now. Then you can click on line item, sort by. There is something called G005. Correct? G005. Save. Bank GL account is created. Now, the third step, go to the same path, SPRO, financial accounting, bank account, define house bank. Now you are going to assign the GL account to the house bank. So how you are going to come? Say if you are going outside, you click this, you are going to come here, and you are going to come here. And in the dialog structure, double click here. Double click on dialog structure is this, and then click on new entry. What is the account ID? In a bank, I can create multiple account ID. There could be a savings account, loan account, current account, recurring deposit account. So many accounts could be there in a bank. But this is I am going to use it for customer and vendors. Yes or no? So customer and vendors, I am going to get it in current account. Correct? This is not a loan account. In the same bank, I can have multiple accounts. One account for loan, one for current account, one for recurring deposit account. So this is the current account, or whatever you call in your respective country, or checking account. In some country, it is called checking account for BANG. In India, we call it as current account. You have got SB account and current account. Current account is used for company, SB account is for individual. Company code. And then the bank will have your bank account number. Yes or no? It's a whatever the bank account number. Yes or no? And in which currency it is going to be? KES. And the bank GL account which you have created just now, enter this and then save it. Do you want to transport IBN? Yes. Then you click on this white paper and say bank BANG bank GL. So I created it. So that concludes your F-28 consultant work of step 2. What is step 1? We have created the number range for the document type DZ. That was step one. Step two, we have done it for create house bank. In create house bank, you have done three steps. First, you went and created your house bank called BANG. In step two, you went to FS00, created a GL account 1 lakh 3. In third step, you came back and assigned that 1 lakh 3 GL account to your house bank. Yes or no? What I mean by that is this first two steps, I'm going to show it again to you. What you have done in step one, you went to SPRO, financial accounting global setting, document header, define document type. You came, the first step, DZ, you went and created the number range 14. Meaning you went and checked that was already there because you have created for VF01 for RV document type. The same number range I'm going to use for DZ also. This is step 1. Correct? In step 2, what you have done? You have done your house bank creation. So to do your house bank creation, what you have done? Again, house bank creation, you came to SPRO, financial accounting, bank account. Then you created on click on this. You entered BANG, enter. Then what you did, you entered new entry, you entered VANG, entered the country, you entered the bank key, and you save. So you had your house bank created. So that house bank was looking something like this when I created. And I saved, I came out. Correct? Then I went to FS00. Next where I went? I went to FS00. I created 1 lakh 3 GL account by entering it is asset balance sheet bank account for GKES, local balances, posting key, all accounts. Then I hit on line item and start key, and in create bank I entered 005. I saved it. Third step, what I did, I went to the same path to the bank. I entered here. Now I went to assign the GL account which I created. How did I assign it? I double click here and then click on new entry. I came to this account. Then I created a current account for bank. Then I entered the GL account here with a bank account number. Save. That concludes your step 2 of F-28. Finally, the third step I have to do is these are all the things I have to do. Now, third step is we have to define the tolerance group. So, write down the third step of F-28 is define tolerance group for customer. Define tolerance group for the customer. How do I do it? The part is SPRO, financial accounting. You see here, close everything. Financial accounting. Then it is saying go to account receivable and payable. You see here, account receivable and payable, business transaction. Then it is saying incoming payment. You see here, incoming payment, manual incoming payment. Here you have got defined tolerance group for employees. Go here, see whether your company code is there, BANG, it won't be there. So what I have to do? I hit, I enter company code BANG. I request you not to enter anything in tolerance group, just write down tolerance group, tolerance, tol group for customer. Then you write down the amount, what it is, I'll explain you in detail after you submitted your homework. Enter 5%. Write the same thing what I'm doing. This explanation is a big explanation for all the finance people. Clear? So what you have done? You come to SPRO, financial accounting, account receivable payable, business transaction, incoming payment, manual incoming payment, define tolerance loop. If you want to get the T code, activate your T code. OBA3. Now you are done with your this thing. Finally, I do F-28. So what is the document date? F-28. Finally, I am doing it. DZ03 period because we are using Kenya, July, August, September. July is 1, August is September, July is 3. Now, what is your bank GL account number? It is going to be 1 lakh 3. What is the amount to be posted? 4720. What is the value date? Value date, I get it as 11th. Now, I am going to teach you a technique. How do I get the value date automatically here? This is a special attraction. You can write it. Write it. How do I get automatically value date every time I need not enter? So, for that, what you do? Go to SPRO, all of you. If you want to get it default, every time you don't want to enter, go to SPRO, financial accounting. Then you go to financial accounting global setting, go to company code, enter global parameters. Go to your company code, BANG, correct? Double click and click on define default value date, right? Automatically it should come. I don't have to enter. Automatically the system will propose if I put it. So where I do it, I'll show it again. SPRO, financial accounting, financial accounting global setting, company code, come to enter global company code, come to position, do whichever your company code is, BANG, double click, you say define, clear. Now let's see whether it works or not. If it doesn't work, I have to enter it manually. So slash n, I go out, I do F-28. You see, by default the data has come. I am not entered. Right? Do it for your company code. So what is this? Payment from customer 100 560, and the customer account is 100 560. Press enter. Tax relevant account is not defined. So in 1 lakh 3 something it is going wrong in the GL account is saying. Okay. Got it. And then save. I got my 14009. Yes or no? Now I can enter all the things and I would have done my total consultant work. Yes or no? I'll go to here. I go to here. I open my Excel sheet. Yes or no? Now instead of 1000 company code, now I'm going to enter my data. Right. So I rename it as BANG. What is the customer which I created? 100 560. FD01 also 100, 560. Correct? MM01 500, 660, 9, 2. Right? What is the stock posting I have done? I don't remember that. Tabitha, you can help me. It was something. If I don't know how I'm going to see, I'm going to see. I forgot to see. How I'll go to MB03. Now I don't know the material document number. What I'll do, I'll hit the tilde bar, I'll enter the material number and try to figure it out. I remove this. For this sales order also I'll remove. For this, what are the document number? So 561, the movement type, it was 5050498. 50498. From there, I want to take my 2025. Press enter. I want to take my accounting document number 49000. You see, initial stock entry and finished goods inventory, the GL accounts are there. It is 49000. Now VK11 PR00 is equal to 2000 I gave, that I have done. Then I created a sales order number. The sales order number was 20373. Right? Then I got my VL01N number, that is 800 181 69. I forgot. Let me just go and check it on the server. Slash n VL02N. Right? So, yes, 69. So now I got my VL01N number. Then I got LT03 as 1. VL02N is also same number, 800 181 69. From FI SD document, I have to get my WL of FI. How I'll get? I go here, click on document flow. Now what is the FI document? 50530. Correct? 50530. From this number, I have to get my FI document number. How I'll do? I'll go to MB03. All this you people know it. What is the number which I have to go? 50530. So this is the number 601. The goods received number I got 49001. Then stock checking. I got two pieces reduced. 100 minus 2, 98 pieces. I saw the stock. Then I got VF01, that is my F2 document number 900 39905. Now, how do I get my RV document? I go to the change mode in VF0. Where I have to go? I have to go to VF02 and see this number. Slash n VF02. And then I see in document flow, I get my invoice number, display document, the accounting document what I got is 1400. Clear? 14000. And in F-28 I got my number 14001, and this is going to be my 14001. This concludes my first order to cash cycle, AR cycle, on my own enterprise structure. Like this, you can do 5 cycles. Whoever enterprise structure is this, I request you to complete all of the things at least in 2 enterprise structure on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Sunday night. I request you to all of you to present, except the red team. No one has presented it. Now I am not going to request. Monday I am going to start the cycle and try to finish it off. Yeah, my clear. Now I would like to stop my YouTube, end my stream, and come back there.